omubeja bahindire emishomo yabo enamba y'abojo ebireni nyingi kusinga ey'abaishiki. Abojo babiri bingana 13 barukora obucweka 61 hari 100 kandi abaishiki babiri barurwenda 14 barukora obucweka 38 hari 100. Abeji 69 nibo batungire first class.
Of 2,214 graduates, and out of these 914 are female, while 1,300 are male. And the total number of the STEM graduates is 1,237, making it 56% of the total graduates.
Professor Ephraim Kamuntu birori omugenyi mukuru ashabira abeji okwetwaza gye bakabecho kureberaho abesigwa hamwe no kureba ngu barwanisa obushomankuzi oburengeserize.
Yari hamwe abamuzi nyingi ikitantu tugambira abana okugaba university nangu bamanye ayibarusa ayibakubona nja kuba yabezi babo cyose abantu bamwe abantu.
Dr. Haji Hassan Basajja Baraba uri chairman board of trustees ahitendekere yashoborero kwitendekero eri yambereho kihango mu kwatira habeji abarukurengo mu runana barukubahereza za basare abatarukwebasa ngo bundi bagahikiriza biroto byabo mu bwire bw'omisho.
Because of the bursaries, Mr. Chancellor, I want to give you example, because today we made almost 4,500 doctors for the last 20 years. We've trained 4,500 doctors. But out of those, the 2,500 doctors were on scholarship. I mean, we are on bursary. 1,500 took 50% of the bursary.
Omukoro gwetabiremu Dr. Silva Mugisharu mukuru w'ekitongole ky'amizi kya National Water and Sewerage Corporation kandi ashabira abeji abahindire emishomo yabo kuteeka mu nkore bejire.
Abaremba graduating eri izuba bamanye ntwaro okwega class theories onge chikuru munonga ekiwayega kiza kuyamba kukora ahero ekitweta competence based training aro skill eyiwatunga akubitu kukorwa skill. So at theories ezi shime translating into skills kugira ekiwakora kandi umuntu kutakagayo.
Gashako Olivia na Sasira.